Yeah, good evening. So, this is our sixth section, and today we are going to do our common French verbs with the English meaning. And these verbs are very helpful in formation of the sentences. And in this class, I'm going to teach you and give you a glimpse that how many tenses have to do and how differently we can go. Okay. So, first one is Asimat, then Amreen. Okay. To go, Asimat, to go means
Color,
alar. To have,
color,
okay. Avoir,
Aware,
hmm.
aware,
Okay. Être,
être, to be,
faire,
faire,
fair to
to,
do,
do,
hmm. Dire,
dare to say,
voir,
boy to see,
pouvoir,
to be able to, can,
vouloir,
to want,
venir,
to come,
devoir,
to have, to must,
prendre,
to take,
donner,
to give,
parler,
to speak,
aimer,
to like, to love,
mettre,
to put,
savoir,
to know, a
about the
fact,
facts. Yeah. Falloir,
to be necessary,
passer,
to pass, to spend time,
croire,
to believe,
trouver,
to find,
comprendre,
to understand,
attendre,
to wait,
sortir,
to go out,
tenir,
to hold,
s'ouvrir,
to follow,
connaître.
to know, a person, place,
Yeah. We have done savoir also. When we talk about the facts, that the word which will be going to be used is savoir. But when we are talking about person or place, then we know connaître. Okay.
okay, okay,
Penser,
to think,
laisser,
to leave something,
attendre,
to hear,
regarder,
to watch, to look at,
répondre,
to answer,
rendre,
to return something,
appeler,
to call,
vivre,
to live,
travailler,
to work,
jouer,
to play,
demander,
to ask,
porte,
to wear, to carry,
arriver,
to arrive,
servir,
to serve,
changer,
to change,
ouvrir,
to open,
lire,
to read,
écrire,
to write,
order,
to lose,
commencer,
to begin,
appliquer,
to explain,
monter,
to show,
apprendre,
to learn,
boire,
to drink,
acheter,
to buy,
finir,
to finish,
choisir,
to choose,
étudier,
to study,
descendre,
to go down,
monter,
to go up,
tomber,
to fall,
rester,
to stay,
entre,
to enter,
manger,
to eat,
payer,
to pay,
rire,
to laugh,
pleurer,
to cry,
chanter,
to sing,
danser,
to dance,
Now you can see there are some verbs which accompanies pronoun. Okay, this is verbs which accompany pronoun या pronoun, that is called verb pronoun in French. These specially verbs are used when you are describing your daily routine. Okay, se laver,
To wash oneself.
se lever,
To get up.
se habiler,
To get dressed.
se coucher,
To go to bed.
s'amuser,
To have fun.
se noyer,
To get bored.
se souvenir,
To remember.
se promener,
To take a walk.
se hier,
To sit down.
envoyer,
To send.
recevoir,
To
To
where
receive.
did it go? Yeah.
okay. Recevoir means to receive. Okay. Naître,
To be
To be
born.
born.
mourir,
To
To
die.
die.
conduire,
To drive.
cuisiner,
To cook.
courir,
To run.
nager,
To swim.
voler,
To steal or fly.
cacher,
To hide.
revoir,
To see again.
dormir,
To sleep.
suhat,
To wish.
gather,
To keep.
manquer,
To miss.
utilizer,
To use.
refuser,
To refuse.
accepter,
To accept.
adorer,
To adore.
detester,
To hate.
prefer,
To prefer.
nettoyer,
To clean.
essayer,
To try.
réussir,
To succeed.
accoucher,
To fail.
achar,
To
attacher,
attach.
apporter,
To bring a thing.
amener,
To take.
se dépêcher,
To hurry.
réfléchir,
To reflect.
continuer,
To continue.
arrêter,
To stop.
raconter,
To meet.
habiter,
To live it.
remplir,
To fill.
toucher,
To touch.
cacher,
To break.
carent,
To fear.
offrir,
To offer.
s'ouvrir,
To smile.
se cacher,
To hurt oneself.
blesser,
To hurt.
apprêter,
To appear.
désapprêter,
To disappear.
préparer,
To prepare.
réparer,
To repair.
saluter,
To jump.
désigner,
To draw.
peindre,
To paint.
gagner,
To win or to earn.
permitter,
Allow.
in there,
To forbid.
protéger,
To protect.
confonder,
To confuse.
mendier,
To lie.
better,
To beat.
lancer,
To throw.
upper,
To catch.
grimper,
To climb.
Okay. Tourner,
To turn.
eviter,
To avoid.
souffrir,
To suffer.
acculer,
To welcome.
répéter,
To repeat.
déranger,
To disturb.
rendre,
To return.
emménager,
To move in.
déménager,
To move out.
To
imaginaire,
imagine.
ouvir,
To obey.
remarquer,
To notice.
se marier,
To get married.
and then baisser.
To lower.
So these are majorly 150 words that you need to learn. And then I'm going to tell you in French grammar how to conjugate that. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a glimpse. There are some common French tenses. First one is infinitive, then present, imperative, conditional present, imparfait, passé récent, passé composé, plusquamperfait, future proche, future anterior, and future simple. So then direct, indirect, subjunctive. So these are 13 verbs that you have to learn it. So how you will learn it? Can you tell me? How can I master the French tenses? When I'm going to learn their meaning. Correct? So, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.